Hello everyone. Today my collaborator Alessandra Maria Salvatella and I want to talk to you about using machine learning in lizard biomechanics. We'll be focusing on this little Anolis lizard at the bottom of the screen and using transfer learning to test the hypothesis that these lizards will modulate their limb movements to deal with the challenge of perch diameter in a similar way on different inclines. We use linear discriminant analysis within a transfer learning framework called zero-shot learning, in which we train the computer to classify strides from the anoles into either the broad or narrow perch diameter environment using data from a single incline, for example, 90 degrees. And then we assess how well that LDA decision boundary does on a test dataset, which consists of the same perches at the remaining two inclines, for example, 0 and 45 degrees. Whatever value we get from this becomes the accuracy of this transfer learning model. And we computed 95% bootstrap confidence intervals to get a non-parametric estimate of the accuracy of our algorithm. We achieved high levels of transfer learning for these models that were trained to distinguish between perch diameters given a single incline. In this figure, we have the training dataset in white and the test dataset in color, with the green symbols indicating strides that were correctly classified and the few red symbols indicating incorrectly classified strides. All three models that you see here have very high classification accuracies. And it turns out that the most important kinematic changes for our most successful models were related to strategies for adopting a crouched posture and improved stability on narrow surfaces, which is particularly important for survival in an arboreal environment. In this work, we have leveraged machine learning methods, specifically transfer learning, to gain insights into the functional demands on locomotion imposed by the arboreal environment. Our results demonstrate that locomotor behaviors, especially those related to stability, can be transferred across environments. And in some of our newer comparative work, we show that some of these features can also be transferred across species. Thank you very much for your attention, and to our funding sources who have supported various parts of this project.